Water is the heart of everything we do here at Hunter Industries. I'm Bryce Carnell, Corporate Social Responsibility Manager here at Hunter Industries. Because we have this reliable and safe water supply as delivered by the San Diego County Water Authority, Hunter Industries is proud to be one of the largest employers here in North County, San Diego. And we're able to employ those hundreds of people here and thousands globally. Hunter Industries is an irrigation manufacturer. We develop, we innovate, we manufacture, and we ship products all around the world. Irrigation, lighting, golf, and even agriculture. We're able to invest in our business and our organization. We're able to provide innovative products, services, and processes. We've been able to grow our business from one building here in San Marcos from 1981 to a 9-building campus, and we're proud to deliver products to over 100 countries. Hunter Industries is brought to you by water.